Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python FrozenSet Collection with difference operation. So first of all, what is this FrozenSet Collection in Python programming? So FrozenSet is a unordered collection of elements. FrozenSet elements are unique. It does not accept duplicate elements. FrozenSet is immutable. So once it is created, we cannot modify it. Example, addition, deletion, updation is not possible. And FrozenSet does not provide indexes to its elements. And FrozenSet is created using FrozenSet method. And for this method, we have to pass list, set, or tuple, or any iterable object with values. For example, fset1 equal to FrozenSet of, I'm taking it as list of 11, 22, 33. Similarly, fset2 FrozenSet2, I'm taking FrozenSet of list of different type of values: 1001, psi, 6.2, true, none. So in this case, that list will be converted into FrozenSet. So FrozenSet is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. And order is not preserved in FrozenSet collection. So now coming to the difference of FrozenSet. Okay, so it is done with minus operator or with difference method. Example, fset1 minus fset2 or fset1 dot difference of fset2. So here it gives a new FrozenSet with those elements of first set which are not available in second set, which means only those elements of set 1, FrozenSet1, which are not available in set 2, and it does not include common elements. Next, coming to symmetric difference of two FrozenSet, it is done with cap symbol or bitwise exclusive or operator, okay, which is cap symbol. And we have to use symmetric underscore difference method. Example, fset1 symmetric difference of fset2 or fset1 dot symmetric difference, okay, fset2. Now in this case, we are going to get a new FrozenSet with only those elements from set 1 and set 2. First FrozenSet and second FrozenSet, and which are not common to both the FrozenSets. So without common elements, we are going to get only elements from FrozenSet1 and only elements from FrozenSet2. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python FrozenSet example 4. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. I'm taking fset1 FrozenSet of, I'm passing a set of values 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Similarly, another FrozenSet of set of values 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. fset2. So first we will perform difference operation. So fset1 minus fset2 or fset1 difference of fset2. So save this program in your working directory. Come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So let us take py Python FrozenSet example 4. Right, so these are only elements of FrozenSet 1 which are not available in FrozenSet 2 without common elements 33, 11, 22. Using minus operator, using difference method. Right. Similarly, I can also take fset 2 minus fset 1 or FrozenSet 2 dot difference of FrozenSet 1. So save this and run. So next two cases will get only those elements from FrozenSet 2, 77, 66, 88, which are not available in FrozenSet 1. Next, let us perform symmetric difference using cap operator, FrozenSet 1 cap FrozenSet 2 or FrozenSet 1 dot symmetric difference of FrozenSet 2. We'll get only those elements from set 1, set 2 which are not common to both of them. Save it and run. So in both the cases we got 11, 22, 33 from FrozenSet 1, 66, 77, 88 FrozenSet 2. So same as with symmetric difference method. And for next case, here also we'll get the same output. FrozenSet 2 cap of FrozenSet 1 or FrozenSet 2 symmetric difference of FrozenSet 1. So save this and run it. So in these two cases also we are getting the same output. Only those elements of set 2, set 1 which are not common to both of them. So this is how we are supposed to work with FrozenSet with difference operation and symmetric difference operation. Thank you for watching and listening this session. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.